How I scaled my clothing brand to $300,000 using only Instagram ads. Say Less Trent back again with another video. I appreciate y'all tuning in. The only thing I don't appreciate is most of y'all tuning in and getting this value that I'm providing aren't subscribed. Please subscribe down below and lock in and come back for this value that I'll be providing every single week for this free game and free gems on how to live full-time off your clothing brand and more. Let's get to it. The first way on how I scale my clothing brand to over $300,000 using only Instagram ads is I had to define my target audience. I had to know who my target audience was. For example, my brand Say Less Lifestyle. Our target audience as a motivational brand is athletes or ambitious individuals. Now, in my store locations and kiosk locations, I've experienced all types of people shopping. Now, I'm just saying, who are you specifically targeting? You have to be definite and define who you're targeting as a brand. Who do you make your content for? What are they interested in? You have to know these type of things about your customer and break them down to a science. If you were the consumer, put yourself in the consumer's shoes. What do you want to see from this type of brand? What are you looking to buy? What are you looking to, watch as far as content goes? Think about these things and review your performance. Define your target audience, and when always running Instagram ads, Boost Post is what I'm referring to. When you click Instagram Boost Post on Instagram, it asks you a variety of things. Now with my brand, we were able to generate over $55,000 in 30 days using only Instagram ads and over $15K a month for almost 2 years straight from Instagram ads. Now the thing is, you don't want to depend fully on Instagram ads for orders. You have to, while utilizing Instagram ads, you have to grow your SMS text message marketing list along with maybe a email list where you can contact your customer if you didn't have Instagram. There's multiple ways and multiple sources of income within a business to make money, but you just have to generate those over time. It's a process, but if you stay consistent and you have a plan on what you're doing, those results have no choice but to show up. Now, we've experienced using Facebook ads, we've experienced using TikTok ads, but to get the best results and rapid growth at a high rate, Instagram ads, once you have the right ad settings, once you know what type of content to post, and once you have a winning product and a winning website, Instagram ads are almost automatic money for you. Nowadays, there's oversaturation. There's a lot of clothing brands out here running Instagram ads, so you have to stand out and be precise as possible when running these ads. Now, if you want the ad settings that I use to generate over $55K in 30 days with my brand, please direct message me on Instagram at Say Less Trent so we can get that information over to you. Now, also, what I mean by ad settings is, like I said, when you click Instagram Boost Post, it's going to ask you a few questions. Who is your audience? Create your own audience. You always want to create your own. And now when you create your own audience, you want to go ahead and put your interest. You want to go ahead and put the gender, the age. Now, specifically for your brand, you need to know what your gender and age is. Who are you targeting? Like I said earlier in the video, is it male? Is it female? And put that in there. Now, I hear a lot of people say you shouldn't put any interest and just let it automatically do it. No, I don't agree with that. And based upon my successes and failures with Instagram ads, I've made over $250,000 only spending $60,000 on Instagram ads in 1 year. So I've gotten the results for myself, and in my coaching program, I've gotten the results for several other clothing brands. If you want to get results, like I said, direct message me at Instagram at Say Less Trent. Let's get it. So as far as that goes with the Instagram settings, you have to be precise as possible. Put at least 20 plus interest on what your target audience may be interested in seeing on Instagram. When you're posting these ads, they need to be tested and trialed, as in you don't need to dump a bunch of money into ads. Ads need to show you that they're working properly before you go ahead and put your money into ads. And if you're spending your personal money with Instagram ads, that's even more of a reason to test and trial ads so you're not wasting your money. And like I said, if you want to save as much money as possible, direct message me at Say Less Trent for one-on-one mentorship info. Now, let's get back into it. These ads that you run based upon your audience, what content do they like to see? For specifically my audience, they like to see the product on the ground or a white background, a high quality photo shoot, maybe in a gym setting or things of that sort, based upon what my target audience resonates with. And that's based upon you as the founder, as the owner, to break your target audience down to a science and give them exactly what they want to see on Instagram, so that way you're having no trouble bringing in sales. Now with ads and your ad settings, I've given you a lot of good information on how to go about Instagram ads. And like I said, review your performance. But then again, how do you know if an Instagram ad is working the way it's supposed to work? You go ahead and click your View Insights, or you're going to download Meta Ad Manager at the App Store. When you click view insights specifically on Instagram when using Instagram Boost posts, you'll be able to scroll down and there should be something called a cost per website visit or cost per profile visit, or how much it's costing you to get somebody to click on your website. Now, specifically, if you want orders, you need to be using website visits. If you want to bring in sales and people to your website and traffic to your website, you need to use website visits when setting your ads up for Instagram ads. But if you want to bring in followers or, engagement to your page, you want to run profile visits. Profile visits will generate that engagement to your page to grow your following at a rapid pace. Now, if you're doing a giveaway or something of that sort, go ahead and use profile visits for that and to generate those SMS list subscribers and more. We know followers don't equal dollars, but followers will help you get dollars and boost your social proof. As we know, social proof determines if somebody is going to buy from your brand or not, and social proof is practically credibility and how somebody perceives your brand. And how somebody perceives your brand is determined if they're going to buy from your brand or not. So as far as that goes, I hope this video helped you a ton, and that's the #1 way we use Instagram ads to generate sales and blow up our brand. Now, we also had the social proof to back it up. As you see, we have over 500K followers on TikTok at Say Less Lifestyle, over 70K on Instagram, and that's really from advertising and using paid ads along with mastering organic marketing. And as always, if you need help growing your brand or boosting your marketing, hit me up at Say Less Trent on Instagram for one-on-one mentorship info. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Go ahead, subscribe down below, and we're out of here. Let's get it.